Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Welcome to online classes. This side Hema Yadav from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota. Children, today we are going to start book work of chapter 2. This is numbers 201 to 1000. Children, in your previous class 1, you have learned about the numbers from 1 to 1000. Now we will discuss these numbers again. Then we will start our book work. Now read these numbers with me. This is 313, 569, 488, 810, 207, 999, 667 and this is 1000. So children, one thing you notice that all numbers which are in hundreds, they are having 3 digits. So let's start counting. Question number 1, numbers from 201 to 300. Here we will write the numbers from 201 to 300. Fill in the missing numbers. Children, few numbers are already written. You have to fill the missing number in these boxes and read them aloud. And when you are writing, then read the number loudly. We will start from 201, 202, 203. You know the counting. You can write the counting easily till 300 on this page. Now these are the numbers. We have to write the number names of these numbers. These number names are related with these numbers. This is 209. So we have to write the spelling of 2, TWO2, 100, HUNDRED 100 and 9, NINE 9. Children, you know the spelling of 2. You know the spelling of 100 and you know the spelling of 9, so you can write the easily number name of this number. Now question number 2, numbers from 301 to 400. On this page you have to write the counting numbers from 301 to 400. Fill in the missing numbers and read them aloud. Here are also few numbers are missing, few numbers are written already. You have to write the missing numbers and when you are writing, read these numbers loudly. These number names are also related to these numbers. We will read this number. This is 357. So we will write the spelling of 3, THREE 3, 100, HUNDRED 100, 50, FIFTY 50 and 7, SEVEN 7. Children, you know what are number names? Number names are the spelling of numbers and you can say number names are the words. We are writing the numbers in words. I hope you have understood. Now question number 3, numbers from 401 to 500. Again you have to fill the missing numbers. In these boxes few numbers are given and you have to write the missing numbers and these number names are also related to these numbers. Let's read one number with me, then we will discuss that number name. 499. This is the number 499. So we will write the spelling FOUR 4, HUNDRED 100, 90, NINETY 90 and 9, NINE 9. I hope you have understood. Rest of all you can do. Question number 4, numbers from 501 to 600. Fill in the missing numbers and read them aloud. Again you have to fill the missing numbers and you have to write the number name of the given numbers. Now read this number with me. This is 567. So you have to write the spelling of 567. I hope you have understood and we will end this counting on 600. After 600 we will start counting from 601, 602 and we will end this counting on 700. Now look at the question. Numbers from 601 to 700 and again you have to fill the missing blanks, missing numbers. Now write the number names. You have to write the number names of the given number which are related to these numbers. After 700, we will start counting from 701, 702, 703 and we will end it on 800. Now write the number names. Given numbers are here, you have to write the number names of these numbers. Read this number, this is 782. The spelling of 782. Clear? Now fill in the missing numbers and read them aloud. This is 801, 802, 803, 804, 805. You can write the other numbers like this, and the number names, which numbers are given here. This is 809, so we have to write the spelling of 809. Clear? Now numbers from 901 to 999. You have to start counting from 901 and you will end it on 999. After 999, what will come? That will be 1000. But we are learning only 3-digit numbers here, so we will end our counting on 999 and we will write the number names of the given numbers which are related to these numbers. Read this number with me loudly. This is 914. So we have to write the spelling of 9, N-I-N-E, 9, 100, H-U-N-D-R-E-D, 100 and 14, F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N, 14. I hope you have understood about the counting. Now you can write these numbers yourself. Now question number 9 is, look at the abacus to write the numbers. Here you have to see this abacus and you have to write the numbers in these boxes. The boxes are blank here and you have to write the numbers. Here, see this rod stands for hundreds, this is for tens and this is for ones. So we will count the beads and write the numbers according to their places. Here 4 is at ones place, 4 beads are at ones place, so we will write 4 at ones place. 2 beads are tens place, so we will write 2 at tens place, and 3 is hundreds place, so we will write 3 at hundred place. The number will become 324. Clear? Now in other, you can count the beads given on the abacus and write the number in the blank boxes. Question number 10. Draw beads on the abacus to represent the numbers. Children, here the abacus is blank and you have to draw beads in it. The number is given here 537. Here 5 is at hundreds place, 3 is at tens place and 7 is at ones place. So you have to draw beads according to them. We will draw 5 beads at hundred place, 3 at tens place and 7 at ones place. I hope you have understood. You can draw the beads in other abacus according to their numbers. Thank you.